Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to see how you can fix your Wizz app if it is not working and it will show pop up any error or anything like the app has been closed or so. Let's get started. What you have to do, just go to your device settings right here and find apps management, and under apps management find Wizz app.
Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud, you don't speak quietly.
After that, go to storage usage and then click on clear data and clear cache. So it will clear all your data and cache, and the app has been resetted. So after opening this, and you can see the Wizz app is working perfectly now. So if you like the video, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up guys. Subscribe our channel for more awesome content. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.
Place with the view, the pain is never gonna stop if it's